Okay, so hi guys, welcome back again with another video. In this video we are going to discussing about lithium ion battery 24 volts 40H and with charger. So you can see here, this is the lithium ion battery, almost around 4 kgs. So this is for 24 volts 40H battery. So when we are connecting the 24 volts 250 watts motor around, it's going to 120 kilometers. So it will be covered. This is for electrical vehicles or electrical bicycles. We can use it. So here, so we are providing one charger. This charger, the output voltage is 29.2 volts and the output current like to 5 amps. So it's going to around 4 hours charge, 4 hours to fill the charging. And if you want to fast charging, you can increase the output current like 10 amps. Then it's going to around 2 hours to fill the charger charging. And here, so we are giving 5 years of warranty in this particular lithium ion battery. So this cost around like 20,000. So we'll give the offers maybe 18,000 or if you book bulk, then we'll provide more offers. So the main intention, this is made upon India. So see, you can see the made in India, the charger. So entire things are made in India products. So we are using a lithium ion batteries, 20056 series batteries. So here the main thing is, if you want to more AH, so just contact with our technical people. So we'll give the description entire details. So you can see here, so almost all the 4 kgs. So the charging time is around 4 hours depending on our charger. So currently we are using 29 volts output and 25 amps output current. So you can increase the current, then automatically it will be do the fasting. So then so if you want to more voltage and if you want to more AH, so just contact with our technical people, they will provide you. So more updates, please subscribe our channel. So in the next couple of videos I will show you how to make the batteries and all those things. Mainly our intention when we are going to do lead acid batteries, it's going to more weight. So that's why we're going to use the lithium ion battery. So here you can see, this is the charging port. This is the charging port. You can use in our normal home chargers, like charging port, like normal plugs. You can hear this is for our input port. So when we are going to connect with our motors, so this is for the charging port. So here you can see here, this is for normal 270 volts input or 220 or 220 to 270 volts input current, normal AC current. So when we are going to connect to AC, then automatically it converts to the DC. This DC will connecting within this battery. So that's it in this video. In the next couple of videos I will show you in a more technical things. So how to make the battery and how to make the chargers and what is the circuits and all those things. I will show you next couple of videos. More updates, please subscribe our channel. If you want any doubts, please commenting on this video, so I will give the reply. Thank you guys. We'll see you next video.